Today, Akhilesh Yadav is likely to address a public rally in Ayodhya, and that has created a lot of flutter. He's apparently decided to refrain, according to sources, from visiting the Ram Mandir. All this, remember, after Akhilesh Yadav had earlier refused to visit the Pran Pratishtha at the Ram Mandir. That was in Ayodhya on Jan 22nd, 2024. That back then had triggered a massive political war of words between the Saffron Party and the INDIA bloc. After the Pran Pratishtha, UP legislators, remember, had visited the Ram Mandir, but Samajwadi Party and former Chief Minister Akhilesh had declined to be a part of that visit to the holy site.
ये पूजा पाठ और जो ये विषय है, ये तो अपना व्यक्तिगत विषय है। वो सुबेरे ही जो है पूजा पाठ करके निकल लेते हैं जनसभा में, तो ये कोई मतलब नहीं है। वो मवई आ रहे हैं, फिर यहाँ बहुत दूर है, करेंगे दर्शन।
कब दर्शन करेंगे?
करेंगे, पूरा परिवार समेत करेंगे, इलेक्शन बाद करेंगे।
In fact, after the SP said that its chief would not visit the Ram Mandir, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has now lashed out at Akhilesh Yadav and said that people will not forget the insult to Lord Ram. Another BJP leader, Manish Shukla, has slammed the SP chief and said that the people of the country will wash Samajwadi Party away after the Lok Sabha elections.
मैंने प्रस्ताव रखा कि भाई चलो सभी विधायक एक साथ अयोध्या में दर्शन करते हैं। इन सभी विधायकों ने समर्थन किया था, लेकिन समाजवादी पार्टी के नेता अखिलेश यादव ने कहा कि नहीं, हम राम मंदिर का विरोध करते हैं। तो इन विधायकों ने कहा नहीं, जो राम का विरोध करेगा हम उसका साथ नहीं दे सकते, और इन्होंने समाजवादी पार्टी से नाता तोड़ दिया। कहा कि भाई हमारा तुमसे कोई संबंध नहीं।
प्रभु राम का दर्शन, श्री राम का दर्शन वही कर सकता है जिसे प्रभु राम स्वयं बुलाते हैं। अखिलेश यादव और समाजवादी पार्टी के तथाकथित सेकुलर नेताओं का ऐसा भाग्य कहा कि प्रभु राम के दरबार में जाके उनके चरण पर अपना सर रख सके, माथा रख सके। और अखिलेश यादव समाजवादी पार्टी तो वही पार्टी है जिसने राम भक्तों के खून से सरयू को लाल कर दिया था।
None of them will go to Ram Lalla or will go to Ram Temple. Rather, they have told their people not to go to Ram Temple, and then their leader of the opposition, leader in the House, was made to quit the party because of this. That he visited the Ram Temple. So their agenda is very clear: to target Muslim vote, to appease Muslim vote. They will never visit temple.
All right, my colleague Adeep is joining us live on the broadcast. Adeep, is that confirmed from the side of the SP that Akhilesh Yadav will today indeed not be visiting the Ram Mandir despite of being in Ayodhya? And if so, what reasoning is the SP giving behind the same?
Well, see, Meenakshi, Ayodhya comes under the constituency of Faizabad, and Akhilesh Yadav is visiting Faizabad. Today it's the constituency of Ayodhya itself. Akhilesh will be campaigning for the Faizabad candidate of Desh Prasad. When Akhilesh was asked the question about visiting Ayodhya, visiting Ram Lalla, he said that he's just going to the border but not to the actual Ayodhya. This is how Akhilesh Yadav was avoiding the question on being asked about the Ram Lalla darshan. So Akhilesh Yadav once again he was avoiding the question of Ram Lalla, not just this time but from the time of the Pran Pratishtha ceremony. Akhilesh Yadav and Samajwadi Party had been ignoring the question of Ram Mandir, and Akhilesh from time and again he has been saying, when confronted with questions, he has been saying that whenever the Lord will call us, we will go to Ram Lalla. This is how Akhilesh Yadav has been responding. But today when he was asked about the Ram Mandir darshan, he said that he is just going to the Barabanki border and not to the actual place in Ayodhya. On the other hand, we have BJP who have been continuously attacking Akhilesh Yadav and Samajwadi Party on the Ram Mandir issue. They are saying that the party which has been against Ram Mandir, which has been against Lord Ram, people will not vote for them.
Kane sir, your dinner.
On a tile? It's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स। टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो।